Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Bluesky. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type in bsky.app. Once done, just hit on enter. Now, as you can see here, the website loads. Well, what we're going to do is just basically click on create account. Once that's done, put your email right here, for example, and I'm going to put my password. Now in here, just go ahead and click on the calendar icon and edit your birth date. For example, 09/01 and 1997. All right. Once that's done, I'm just going to hit on next. Now in here, you'll be able to type in your desired username. For example, I want it to be a made for money. All right. And this will be our handle at madeformoney.bsky.social. All right. Just keep this in mind while making the username. Make sure that it only contains letters, numbers, and hyphens, and at least 3 characters. All right. Once you're done with that, just hit on next. As you can see here, there will be a little verification process. Just hit on I am human. Verifying. The verification complete. And as you can see here, it is now loading. You can just go ahead and click this edit button right here to upload your profile picture. If not, just go ahead and hit on continue or create an avatar instead. All right. Now for this example, I'm just going to add in a profile picture. Now I'm going to add in this one, open, and I'm going to hit on continue. In here, you can go ahead and select your interest. It could be art, books, comedies, comics, education, nature, politics, pets, news, sports, tax, or whatever you want. Once you're done with that, just hit on continue. And it says here, you're ready to go. We hope you have a wonderful time. Remember, Bluesky is public, open, and flexible. Now, once you're okay with that, just hit on let's go. And it says here, finalizing. Just wait for it to finish. And as you can see here, we have just signed up for Bluesky. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.